Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, as part of a kitchen makeover, you only have to change a couple of things inside the kitchen to give it a modern look. Take for example this kitchen. With a dash of colour on the splashback and a new countertop, we've made this space look completely different. And you can do the same at home by following a few simple steps. Let me show you how. The tools and products required to complete this task are a post-form countertop cut to the appropriate length using Builders cutting service, pine cover strip, Bullseye 123 water-based primer, Velvet Glow water-based enamel paint, paint tray, roller and brush, cleaning thinners, scraper, cloth, 50mm wood screws, 16mm wood screws, cordless drill with screwdriver bit, fix-all quick-set glue, silicone and a caulking gun. So we're preparing to paint our splashback, but before that what we need to do is remove all the hardware, so all the plug points, the covers for that, take that off, because if you get paint on there it doesn't look so great afterwards. Then we're going to give it a good cleaning down before painting with our Bullseye 123 primer, which is ideal for these tiles. Bullseye 123 primer is a fantastic product, especially on tiles. It dries fast and is also mold and mildew resistant, which makes it ideal for a bathroom or a kitchen. Our Bullseye 123 primer is dry and these tiles are ready to go for a coat of paint. Remember, you're going to have to paint at least 2 coats of your enamel over your tiles before it looks like the finished product. We're going to be painting with Velvet Glow water-based enamel, and the color we're using today is Shutter Green. You can use any color paint, so let your imagination go wild with the plethora of colors available at Builders. Apply the paints with a paintbrush, getting into those gaps between the tiles, and then go over the entire surface with an enamel roller, or you can continue using the paintbrush. Well, with our splashback painted, it's time now to secure our countertop in place. I'm going to use this Adol Fix-All Turbo, which dries within 20 minutes to fix this counter to the current top. It's great because it's flexible, it is strong, and like I said, dries very quickly. Spread the Fix-All by applying a generous amount on the worktop with your caulking gun, using a zigzag pattern or cross pattern. In this case, more is better, so that we can get a good adhesion between the two surfaces. So we put a generous amount of the Fix-All on this old counter. All we have to do is drop the new counter in place, and then what we're going to do is take long screws, about 40 to 50 mil screws, screw them from underneath through the old counter into the new. Put the cover plates of the electrical wall socket back in place, as well as any other fixtures. In order to hide the old countertop, screw the cover strip in place. Paint it with primer, and then seal it with a coat of the Velvet Glow, which is the same color as the cupboards. And last but not least, to finish off the installation of this countertop, we need to seal off the edges using silicone. Now I've used a silicone that is very similar to the countertop color. And remember, you'll need a silicone gun, silicone, and a wet cloth to finish it off. The silicone will prevent any moisture from getting in behind your new countertop. Well, the Shutter Green Velvet Glow enamel that we use on the splashback really complements this newly installed countertop and makes this kitchen look so modern and almost brand new. All the products we use in this insert are available in store and online. Please click on our blog for more ideas just like this on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.